Welcome back everybody to the R44 channel. Today we've got another new product to hit the channel. So we've got the Ramair S58 intake for the M2, 3 and 4. It's a really cool bit of kit. It's made in the UK, it's got some carbon and it's super simple to install. So we've unboxed it, it's all behind, all the components. The only thing that I have to comment is a lot of components, but it's not a bad thing, it is a good thing once you've done it once or twice. But we're going to make you a YouTube video that's going to be quite informative on how to put it all together. But more importantly, we've got some golden wrench pieces that are going to dress up the engine bay once these are fitted. Behind us we have an M3 Touring in black that's going to be have this intake installed. The main reason for this intake, this customer really wants some big whooshes, and this is a really cool intake for that. But let's walk through the assembly and then we'll go look at the intake kind of installed and talk why it has some advantages over the rest. Anyways, so you've got these that connect to the turbo, so you've got the inlet. This side is both sides are the same, so just kind of feed that through like that. You would then put a Jubilee clip on there, but have a look when you install it on the turbo where you can put your clip. You retain your clip and the O-rings from the original. Then the other turbo inlet is a bit smaller, goes in something like this. You can put them in like that. So that goes in there like that. So that's the assembly of those two. These are really cool. I quite like these from Ramair. So they're nice big black filters. They go in like that. So when the air is coming and flowing, it hits there, goes off the edge and flows straight through the pipe. So they're quite cool. They fit in just something like that. There we go. And then you've got these. You also need, there is some rubber to go around. So you you have to install this yourself. So go around there, go around all the outside. And that will create the boxes, as well as you have to install these little bits that go into the grommets. To install those, there is a really helpful install guide, so just scan that step by step. And then the last piece of the puzzle is the cover. What's the likelihood if I grab the same cover? It's pretty low, but there you go. And that's the Ramair cover. It looks quite clean. But let's go have a look at the front of the car. The car is down. It's absolutely absurd, this build. You kind of, I don't know, with this one it just felt like we were just doing loads of stuff throughout the day and it's now come together. Look at it, it's fully dropped on IBAC springs. It's full MHC kit along the front. We've got the SP1 twin fins, the GT front grille. Obviously you've got the Ramair. Let's hear it, Olds. Makes a good noise. We've got the final touches from Golden Wrench. We've got some carbon, some OEM and Performance side badges, SK1s. We've got a LED DF1 on the rear, and obviously the titanium R44 system. So yeah, it's crazy. Find me in the car now. Let's go see what this R44 titanium sounds like on the M3 Touring with the Ramair intake. We are now out in the M3 Touring on the test drive, just to make sure everything's 10-10, but the most important thing, we fitted some springs and we've got the titanium and the Ramair working in situ. Appreciate it, bro. So everybody's even complimenting the car. Wow. Let's get out there. So anyways, yeah, guys and girls, as you saw, this M3 Touring has had a full transformation. The customers come down all the way from Scotland to London to the R44 unit to have the full works done. It's quite a common thing. You've got R44 titanium system, Ramair. Wow, sounds amazing. Can anybody guess how many miles is on this car? 702. Customer started the journey with about, I think, 100 or 200 miles on the clock. But it's beautiful. M3 Touring, comfort seats, Silverstone interior, amazing. Still got all the stickers on it. Beautiful car, as you can see. dropped it off this morning. He's been in London shopping all day. He's popped in, then went and grabbed some food, and now he's going to be jumped in this car. I think he's going to stay the night and then head back to Scotland. So he'll enjoy it. Oh, intake sounds amazing. Value for money, I think it's £720. What's that? Almost $800 for an intake with a nice carbon top panels. And the main thing is you're getting that noise. Sounds amazing. Sounds so good. I'm hoping the customer will be there when we get back, so we can really. Guys and girls, subscribe, hit that bell button, hit those comment sections, and let us know what you think. I think it's a really good value for money product. Reviews so far have been great from customers that we've installed them, so overall 10 out of 10. And yeah, we've got the boys over on the I don't know what they're doing, but they're living life. Yeah. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit that bell button.